Alright, so now we have the structure in place and all the information we require is also there. So let's go ahead and make this thing look pretty. And we're going to start with all the labels here, which are blue. Let's make them look nice. Okay, so what we are going to do now is go through all the fields which should be blue and select them, and we're gonna just paste the color we want and make sure that we disable the usage of the default color here. So it will accept this color value. So let's go and just we should also make this bold. Will also look much better then. So let's go ahead and do this for all the containers here. So the price pool was also the same, and this one was also blue. All right, the labels here the same. So the designer is lagging a bit, but it's not a problem. So let's go to the other side, and we're basically almost done here. Our prices here, and we have one more caption here. Great. So if we go to our preview once again, well, this already looks much better now. But let's continue. The next step, of course, is adjusting of the sizes here. Since everything is a bit too big here, if you ask me, because we need to fit those things here in one line, and we need some more room for the rest of the design, which we can see here. All the labels are much smaller and the actual values are a bit bigger. So let's try to do this too. But the first step, yeah, okay, actually, no, let's go and do this. Okay, so we're gonna go and select the container again. And here you can see, of course, we have all this size information. So let's go and make this a little bit smaller, just one down. So I think this one was the same size. So let's go here and also make those a little bit smaller. All right. It's a lot of clicking, but you basically only need to do it once. All right. So this already looks much nicer. So let's go to the numbers here. Those should also be bold. And I guess we can make those be a bit bigger, so we can read those better even if we are further away from the display. Same on the other side. Our tournament title has a good size, I think, but the text at the bottom here is a bit too big. Let's make this one smaller, actually. All right. And our price pool container here, if we select it, we get some options here, and we don't want to display the price pool information one more time because we're already displaying it on the left side. So let's go ahead and just select that we don't want the price information to be there, and then also make the text a bit smaller because it's pretty big for me. Let's make it bold. All right, so let's go ahead and check out the preview one more time. Okay, this already looks pretty nice. Okay, so the next step would be, if you notice it here, all the values are aligned to the left. So they're not centered like ours here. They're all aligned to the left side. And this is exactly what we're going to do next. So one more time, we need to go ahead and click through all the containers. Also, if you watch closely, you see there's a lot of space between the value and the label. So we're gonna go ahead and tell the labels that they should be aligned at the bottom and to the left. So they're matching more our template here. And of course, the values here should also be on the left. So this is what we're going to do quickly now here. So maybe we will also need to tell the values on it or already on top. So this is already good. So price pool information should go to the left and the actual value should go to the right. So we have the same structure as here. And of course we have the same here. This one should also go to the left, even if it's not visible yet. All right, let's go to the other side. Okay. All right. So let's check it out in our preview. Yeah, this already looks much better now.